Did you know that you can hard reset your Nintendo Switch 2 without losing any game data? Well, here's how you factory reset your Switch 2 in 2 different ways suitable before selling or for troubleshooting. The first way to reset your Nintendo Switch 2 is from the system settings. So, from the home screen, you need to go to the bottom panel, then open System Settings, and after that, we'll go down to System and go all the way to the bottom to Data Clear Options. Open it, and we'll need to scroll down once again. And here's the Restore Factory Settings. Let's press A on it. If you have any game running in the background, you'll need to go ahead and close them. And as you can see here, restoring factory settings or hard resetting your Switch 2 will clear all the system memory, software, and your saved games, screenshots, and videos that you have recorded. But the videos or photos that you have on your external microSD card will still be usable. And obviously, you'll need to set it up again. Now you'll need to go all the way down and hit Next. Now there's the second way, using which you'll be able to reset your Switch 2 without losing any game data, or in case you can't access your Switch 2 settings. Now for this second method, you'll need to boot up your Switch 2 in recovery mode. And to get into recovery, first of all, shut down your Switch 2. The recommended way to do that is by holding down the power button that's at the top, and you'll need to hold it for about 20 seconds to make sure that it's turned off completely. So let's do that. Hold down the power button. We'll keep it holding until the timer runs out. Then let go. Now to get into recovery, we'll need to hold down both these volume buttons, and while holding them, we'll need to tap on the power button, like this. And we can see the Nintendo logo. We'll keep holding the volume buttons until we're in the recovery mode. Here you can see 2 options. You can either select Restore Settings and keep user data, or you can select Restore Factory Settings, which will delete everything that's on your console's system memory. So just select your choice, and then you'll need to confirm it by selecting Continue. And as you can see here, it states your console will still be linked to your account, and to be able to use it, you'll need to log in once again after the reset, which is fine by us. So we'll just select Continue, and then you'll get another warning. Press A to continue, and you'll get a final warning on which you'll need to select Restore Factory Settings. So let's go ahead and do that, and your system will turn off. Now wait for a while, and then you'll have to turn it on manually. And here we are in the setup screen. So now just set up your console as usual, or if you want to give it away, you can keep it as is. And that's all. Hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.